There is a tapering feature in this machine, the Pfaff Expression 3.5 sewing machine. So what does that mean? That means that you can take any of your decorative stitches. So let's just start with a satin stitch. And then when you touch the F1 button, that relates to this little symbol here, and we'll open up a tapering screen. Now you'll notice that it starts off at 90 and 90. So if we just go ahead and touch OK, and highlight that, arrow to the right, and highlight that. Good. Now it's set to stitch. So when we sew, what it'll do is taper the beginning of the satin stitch at 90 degrees. And when I touch the reverse button, taper the ending point, also 90 degrees. Now 90 degrees is not the only tapering angle that you can have. Look at that. How fun is this? So if you open up the tapering menu, touch F1, and you'll notice that each of these boxes has a little extra arrow in the bottom right corner. That means that if you touch and hold the OK button, something else will open up in addition, kind of like layers. There's another screen to show you. So if we wanted any of the other degrees, such as 30 degrees from the left or 30 degrees from the right, we have complete control. And this is just controlling the beginning taper. That means that if you come over here, touch and hold the OK button, and we could have a totally different angle for ending the taper. So let's just take this one version. We have 30 degrees from the left, and then we'll stitch a satin stitch as long as we'd want it to go. And then our last one was, let's see here, we'd have to look which one it was. All right, it was its own taper, and there we go. We have different tapers at the beginning and the end. Now, not just the satin stitch, but let's go ahead and do, let's see, I was playing with stitch 157. Those had little circles. Open up the tapering menu, F1. Turn on a tapering option. Let's not do 30. Let's change it back to 90. And the ending taper will also touch and hold. Bring it also back to 90 at the end. So let's see what it will do to a decorative stitch with a different tapering feature. And then once it tapers the first stitch, it'll just stitch the circles. And then once we touch the reverse button, it'll finish the circle it's on and then taper the last one, stopping with some locking stitches, allowing you to use the scissors, cut the thread, and let's take a look. So now instead, here, let me cut this because this really looks cool. Now you have kind of more of a pointed, that was the 90-degree tapering here and here. And again, you can have that as long as your fabric is or to the distance you want it to be. Engage the tapering at any time by touching that reverse button on screen. And it's super easy to turn off, so if the highlighted tapering area is not dark, that means you've also just turned it off, and it will go back to normal stitching of your decorative stitch that you've picked.